Today we are going to be discussing quartiles for ungrouped data and how to use a simple formula to compute it. Quartiles are a measure of relative position that helps to understand the distribution of data by dividing the data into 4 equal parts. There are 3 quartiles: Q1, which is the first quartile or sometimes called the lower quartile; Q2, which is the second quartile or called the middle quartile or even the median; and Q3, which is the third quartile and sometimes called the upper quartile. So we have Q1, Q2, and Q3. Alright, the formula for computing quartiles is a simple formula that goes like this. Qi is equal to I multiplied by n plus 1 in brackets divided by 4. Now it's important to note that this formula only gives you the position of the quartile but not the actual value, and that's why we have this th up here, meaning the position. The I stands for the quartile number. So if we want to compute the first quartile, I is the number 1, and for the second and third quartiles, I will be number 2 and 3 respectively. The actual value of the quartile is obtained from the dataset after getting the position using this formula. So n in the formula is the number of data points in the dataset. So if you have 20 data points in the dataset, n will become 20. So let's try an example with the ages in years of 15 individuals that were at the health fair last weekend. Let's calculate the quartiles for this dataset, shall we? Before we can apply the formula, we will need to first sort the data in ascending order. Alright, so this is the data in ascending order. Now with the formula, n here will be 15 because we had 15 individuals, right? And for the first quartile, I will be the number 1. So we'll have Q1 is equals to 1 times 15 plus 1 in brackets, right? All divided by 4. That's 16 divided by 4, and this will give us 4. So our Q1 will be on the 4th position. Awesome, right? So if we count, this is the first, the second, the third, and the 4th position. So our Q1 is 9 years. Now let's quickly do this for Q2. I here will be the number 2. So using the same formula, Q2 will be equal to 2 times 15 plus 1 in bracket, right? All divided by 4. That's 36 divided by 4. And so our Q2 is going to be at the 8th position. So looking at our sorted data, our 8th position is right about here. Awesome, right? And you know, Q2 is the same thing as the median of the entire data set. So our Q2, which is the median, is 13 years. Awesome. So let's do for the upper quartile, Q3. Using the same formula, here I will be 3, right? So Q3 is equal to 3 times 15 plus 1 in bracket, right? All divided by 4. And so our Q3 will be in the 12th position. Looking at our sorted data again, our 12th position is right about here, 20 years, right? Great. So our Q1 is 9 years, our Q2 is 13 years, and our Q3 is 20 years. Easy peasy. And we see that these quartiles have actually divided our data into 4 equal parts. Awesome. Now you know how to compute the quartiles for ungrouped data, and you're good to go. Now, if you have gained value with this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a good comment. And if you're yet to subscribe, then now is a good time to do so. And click on the notification bell button so you will be notified when my future videos are released. In my next video, God willing, we will be computing the quartiles for grouped data. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.